Let's draw a cute little pig today. Let's start with the ears, then a big round head, a chubby body, and a curly little tail like a swirl of candy. Add 2 sparkly eyes, a round piggy nose, and a happy smile. Our pig looks so gentle and sweet. Now let's color. Use a soft peach or light skin tone for the body. Just like the gentle piggy you see here. You can also try rainbow or gold if you're feeling extra creative. Add some red blush to the cheeks to make him look even cuter. You did it! This cute little pig looks so happy. Maybe he's ready for a fun adventure. Every cheerful line brings joy to the heart.